Hello everyone, I am EsthefanyAcevedo and I'm here because I want to give you some tips for using ICT in English teaching as foreign language. Please enjoy the video. The use of ICT in teaching and learning has become an established activity worldwide, since relevant literature confirms that ICT significantly improves students' performance. An ICT-based educational environment accommodates all types of learners: visual learners, auditory learners, kinesthetic learners, and read-write learners. The use in ICT in EFL classroom exposes learners to authentic language, enables them to communicate with the outside world, and foster their learning autonomy. Tip for reading comprehension skill. Use of blocks. Within a course consists of the creation of group blocks by the students, and also the teacher creates their own block, where he publishes articles that students should read and analyze. Subsequently, students post on their blogs a reflection on the article. Benefits of the use of blogs. The study showed that for most students, reading blogs improved their reading skills in English. They increased new vocabulary, they obtained more fluency and agility. They also improved their grammar and reading comprehension. In addition, writing reflection about the articles allowed them to improve their writing skills by using new vocabulary, improving grammar, composing sentences correctly, and thinking before writing. Recommendations. To prevent students from becoming burdened with extra class tasks and readings, it is recommended to take the group blogging activities during class sections, which can be very useful for those who are not familiar with the use of the blog in ELF learning. It would be appropriate for teachers to publish in their blogs articles that students have already worked in class, that is, that are not completely unknown to them. But when students get used to managing the blog, different and new articles can be posted. The readings should be based on the interests of the students and according to their level of reading ability, to generate motivation in them and make the exercise of reading enjoyable. Tip for writing skill, wiki technology and peer review. A wiki-based system is a platform for online collaborative writing and learning. It allows users to easily create, edit, modify, and delete web content. The Wiki online platform provides meaningful interaction among students, content, and teachers. The important and meaningful social interaction between peers or between novice learners and more experienced authors support learning, arguing the cognitive function originates in social interaction, and the learning is not merely an assimilation or installation of new knowledge by the individual learners. WebPaint allows users to form wiki pages, blogs, forums, and social networks into a community. Wiki on WebPaint allows participants to log on to create an individual page and to invite peers to conduct online writing and discussion. Benefits of wiki writing projects. Many students have reported that they learned vocabulary, spelling, and phrases as well as sentences structure by reading the work of others on the wiki pages and learning from the writing produced by their peers. In the research about wiki projects, the students value this social practice associated learning with wiki writing as a worldwide activity, and acknowledge the benefits of providing and receiving peers' feedback. It could be argued that giving feedback to peers is an effective approach to improving students' writing skills. The asymmetrical relation of power and control between teacher and learners usually makes students hesitate to ask teacher for further assistance, and they do not comprehend comments and suggestions. Tip for work the four communication skills in English. Web quest in ELT. It is a reflective activity which poses an attractive task using resources available on the Internet selected by the teacher. The basic structure of the web quest includes 5 sections. Introduction provides general information on the topic. This stage presents an attractive proposal that motivates the students. Task define what is the task that the student has to perform. It also explains what will be the final product that is expected from the research proposed in the web quest, such as a multimedia presentation, a verbal presentation, a video. Process establishes each step that the student must take. Resources contains the list of websites that the teacher has selected for the student to perform the task. For example, scientist articles, graphic, audiovisual, video productions. Evaluation defines the evaluation criteria of the work, which must be precise, clear, consistent, and specific for the set of tasks. Conclusion presents the experience and reflection about the process. What was learned and how can it be improved? Benefits of web quests in ELT. Activation of previous knowledge of students increase the exposure of students to the English language and promotes motivation of the use of English to learn through the challenge of facing authentic tasks which require that they solve a problem, make a comparison, or construct a hypothesis in relation to a real problem. Develop critical thinking skills in students through the use of a real-life situation. Students should not only understand and collect information, but also analyze it, synthesize it, and transform it into something new, adding their own information to build an adequate solution. Create the opportunity to interact with the contents to be learned with the teacher and with the classmates. That is, it stimulates collaborative learning, since the students need to work together to complete the given task. Collaborative tasks reduce the feeling of isolation of the students. Recommendations. It is crucial the teachers are aware of the reason for using web quests. Web quests must have the potential to meet the objective of the course, and the task must be flexible to address the differences between students' understanding of the task given and their ability to reflect on it. The tasks must be meaningful, challenging, enjoyable, and they must be interrelated with each other. Resources must be available on the Internet. This is necessary to maximize the time and effort to contribute to student critical thinking skills and avoid unnecessary searches that consume a lot of time. During the implementation of a web quest, teachers should act as facilitators and should encourage teamwork. Conclusions and final implications. Prensky 2001 argues that it is imperative to use digital technology in education to serve a generation of students who speak the digital language of computers and video games. Technology justifies its integration in the curriculum to accommodate all types of learners: visual, auditory, kinesthetic, and reading-writing students. Integrating students' digital literacy into classroom activities is an indication of EFL faculty's tendency to create learning communities where they can learn with and from their own students. For more information, see the following references. Thanks a lot for watching. Any questions?